Welcome to our video on bathroom designs. Bathrooms are one of the most important rooms in any home, and their design can have a huge impact on your daily routine. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most popular bathroom design trends and share tips on how to create a beautiful and functional space. Part 1. Bathroom layouts. The layout of your bathroom is a crucial part of its design. A well-designed layout can make your bathroom feel more spacious and comfortable, while a poorly designed one can make it feel cramped and uncomfortable. There are several popular bathroom layouts, including one-wall layout. This layout is ideal for small bathrooms and is characterized by having all bathroom fixtures placed along one wall. This design is simple, easy to clean, and maximizes floor space. L-shaped layout. This layout features two walls of fixtures that form an L shape. It's a popular choice for larger bathrooms because it offers more room for movement and storage. U-shaped layout. This layout is similar to the L-shaped layout but features an additional wall of fixtures, forming a U shape. It's ideal for larger bathrooms and offers even more storage and counter space. Galley layout. This layout is popular in narrow bathrooms and features two parallel walls of fixtures. It's a space-saving design that's ideal for smaller bathrooms. Part 2. Bathroom fixtures. The fixtures in your bathroom play a key role in its design. There are several types of fixtures to consider when designing your bathroom, including bathtubs. A bathtub is a great addition to any bathroom and can serve as a centerpiece. There are several types of bathtubs to choose from, including freestanding, drop-in, and alcove. Showers. Showers are a popular alternative to bathtubs and can be just as luxurious. There are several types of showers to choose from, including walk-in, curbless, and steam. Toilets. Toilets are an essential part of any bathroom and come in a variety of styles and designs. When choosing a toilet, consider factors such as water efficiency, comfort, and style. Sinks. Sinks are another important fixture in your bathroom and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials. Consider factors such as style, functionality, and maintenance when choosing a sink. Part 3. Bathroom design elements. Once you've chosen your bathroom layout and fixtures, it's time to consider the design elements that will tie it all together. Here are some popular design elements to consider. Color. The color scheme of your bathroom can have a huge impact on its overall design. Popular colors for bathrooms include white, gray, blue, and beige. Lighting. Lighting is another important design element in your bathroom. Consider adding task lighting near the mirror, ambient lighting for a relaxing atmosphere, and accent lighting to highlight certain design elements. Flooring. The flooring in your bathroom should be durable, water-resistant, and slip-resistant. Popular flooring options include ceramic tile, vinyl, and natural stone. Storage. Storage is a crucial element in any bathroom. Consider adding built-in storage such as cabinets, shelves, and drawers to maximize space. Accessories. Accessories such as towels, rugs, and artwork can add personality and style to your bathroom. Consider choosing accessories that complement your color scheme and overall design. Here are some tips for bathroom design and transformation. Determine your budget before starting the project. Measure the space and plan the layout carefully. Consider the amount of storage you need. Choose a color scheme that complements the rest of your home. Invest in high-quality fixtures and materials. Don't forget to include ventilation to prevent mold and mildew growth. Install dimmer switches for versatile lighting options. Consider adding a skylight or window for natural light. Choose slip-resistant flooring for safety. Install a water-efficient toilet to save money on water bills. Add a heated towel rack for comfort. Install a rain shower head for a luxurious shower experience. Consider adding a steam shower for relaxation. Install a waterproof speaker system for music while you shower. Choose a freestanding bathtub for a classic look. Install a floating vanity for a modern, minimalist look. Add a mirror with built-in lighting for a bright, functional space. Choose a textured wall finish for added interest. Install a bidet for a more hygienic bathroom experience. Choose a statement tile for a unique, eye-catching look. Add a plant or two for a touch of greenery. Choose a matte finish for a modern, sophisticated look. Install a smart toilet with features such as automatic lid opening and closing. Consider adding a fireplace for cozy winter mornings. Choose a waterfall faucet for a dramatic look. Add a chandelier for a touch of elegance. Install a recessed medicine cabinet for added storage. Choose a vessel sink for a unique look. Add a freestanding shelf for added storage and style. Choose a black and white color scheme for a classic look. Consider adding a clawfoot bathtub for a vintage look. Install a heated floor for added comfort. Add a glass partition for a modern, open feel. Choose a patterned wallpaper for added interest. Install a frameless shower door for a sleek look. Choose a round mirror for a softer look. Consider adding a floating shelf for added storage. Choose a brass finish for a vintage, luxurious look. Install a rainforest shower head for a natural, eco-friendly feel. Add a patterned rug for added interest. Consider adding a bench or stool for seating. Choose a neutral color scheme for a timeless look. Install a clawfoot tub for a vintage, sophisticated look. Add a lighted makeup mirror for precise application. Consider adding a window seat for relaxation. Choose a marble countertop for a luxurious feel. Install a dual flush toilet for water efficiency. Choose a statement wallpaper for a bold, unique look. Add a niche for storage and display. Choose a concrete finish for a modern, industrial look. In conclusion, designing a beautiful and functional bathroom requires careful consideration of several key factors, including layout, fixtures, and design elements. By following the tips and advice shared in this video, you can create a bathroom that's both comfortable and stylish. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.